Embark on an unboxing adventure with Asher's Learning Adventures as we unveil the mysteries hidden inside Ryan's World Robo Mini Eggs in this exciting episode. From mystery figures to unknown accessories. Are you ready to guess what's inside Ryan's World Robo Mini Eggs?
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Whoa, welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures, and today we are doing some unboxing of Ryan's World Robot Mini Eggs. Are you ready?
Yeah, we use the scissors to open it up.
You ready to open the Robot Mini Eggs?
Yeah,
What do you think is inside?
I don't know. Wait, let's go open it up.
Ooh, let's see.
Yeah, got it. Got it. Let's open it up. Push. No, I cannot push.
There you go.
Wow. Whoa.
Ooh, whoa.
This is a blind bag.
Let me see it. Ooh.
It's a Ryan's face on the. It's a Ryan's face.
Turn it around. Let me see. Ooh, that's Orion face. Ooh.
Whoa, I got Robo Ryan.
Whoa, let me see.
Oh, it's a Robo Ryan.
Let me see. Turn it around. Whoa, that's so cool. Put it on the table. Let me see. Turn it around. Look at that.
Robo Ryan.
Robo Ryan. Look at that.
Whoa, there's actually another one.
Whoa, there's another one?
Yeah, there's another Ryan face on there. I wonder who's that.
Ooh.
Dad, see who I got? A skateboard. And this is
What do you have?
this is actually like the iPad with this. And the sun's spirit. And Robo Ryan can actually skate on here.
Ooh, so look what we have right there. What do we have there?
We have a skateboard he can fly. We have an iPad and a circus spirit he can make.
Ooh, nice. You gonna put it together?
Yeah.
Let's see. What is that? The iPad?
Yeah, it's an iPad. Got it.
Ooh, nice.
And with you. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. Nice. And what is this?
It's a skateboard he can fly.
Ooh, let's see.
No. Wait. Ah, he wants
Put him
to.
on the skateboard first.
Wait.
There you go. There you go. Good.
And let's take her iPad. Wait, let's put her hands up.
Yep.
And we'll take an iPad for Robo.
Nice.
Okay.
Got it.
And let's do this one. It has blue inside.
Yeah, that's like blue water for the experiment.
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh, let me see. Nice. Look at that.
I'm flying. Oh, they have putty.
There's more?
They have putty. They actually have.
Ooh, let me see. Turn it around. It's like a spaceship in there. Turn it around. I want to see that. Turn it around. Whoa, it's like a spaceship in there. Look at that. Ooh, there's like a game board. Let me see. Turn it around.
They're like a game board.
Yeah, let me see. Just leave it right there. I want to see it. Whoa, look at that. There's like a game board. And there's like a... Ooh, look at that. Like a board with ABCs, a TV. This is so nice. It's like a spaceship in there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, Wait.
Ooh, we have more.
What's that?
Let's see. Let's open it up.
Let's see what putty we can get.
Ooh, let's see. Dun, 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 dun.
We got blue putty.
What?
Blue putty. Yeah.
Ooh, what is that?
Blue putty.
Ooh, that's like slime?
Yeah, it's like slime and you just squish it.
Ooh,
It's blue putty.
blue putty?
Yeah, let's see what it feels. Ah! It's in cold, you see. Ah!
Whoa, careful.
Oh, I gotta take some more. Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
it's like little pieces stuck to the bag. What does it feel like? Like
It's-
squishy, squish it.
It's why it's kind of cold as you.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Ooh, that's kind of squishy. It feels nice.
Yeah, it really can put on Robo Ryan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna put it on his head?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Or maybe you can put him on the skateboard like he's surfing on top of like water. Put him on top. Put yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Like it looks like he's surfing.
Yeah, he's stuck inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't.
Put the tablet in his hand. Ooh, let me see. Oh, put it right there.
No, he's surfing in the water.
Look at that. He's like surfing.
In the
And
water.
he's got a tablet. And let me see. He turns around.
Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck inside.
Whoa. Look at that. Let me see. It's so nice.
Maybe let's do.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yeah, let's take the plate after Robo Ride.
All right, let's try a second one. Ting, ting, ting.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Whoa.
What do we have in there?
We have more black. See what's inside. Hey,
What?
we got Peck.
Ooh, who is that?
It's Peck. It's a Peck. It's a Peck when it has its Robo.
Oh,
It's a Peck Robo.
a pet robot?
Yeah.
Ooh, let me see. Look how nice. That one is like a penguin, right?
Yeah.
That one is like a penguin.
Let's do the next one.
Let's see, who could it be?
I don't know.
All right, let's figure it out. Who could it be in there? Let's see what we have in there.
Daddy, we got the skateboard.
Ooh, that one also has a skateboard.
Like the same.
Oh, nice. And what else? I think there's more in there. Check it out.
It's like a green water.
Yeah, it's the same stuff, but in different color. But there's more in there. There's more in there.
What?
Yeah, there's more. There's like stickers in there.
It is stickers. Woo! Whoa, there have pet Robo Ride.
Let me see. Show it to me.
Who is this? Hey,
Who is that? Look at that. Whoa, so take that out from
Whoa.
the bag. Let's put them on.
it's a green iPad.
A green iPad. All right, let's put them on. Whoa, so look at him right there. But I see he doesn't have like hands to hold the tablet or the little experiment throw. All right, let's see. Oh, there's more?
There's more putty.
Ooh, let's see.
We got green putty already. We see if we can open it. Let's see if we can squish it out. Nope. I cannot keep it for my.
I think I gotta do the scissors again. Let me see. There you go.
Whoa, maybe I can actually put on pet.
Let's see.
It'll squish it down. Oh, it feels funny.
It feels funny?
Yeah.
Whoa! Look what we did. Look at that.
He has no. He don't want to grab anything.
He don't want to grab anything because he doesn't have any hands. But we put the stuff in the slime.
Yeah.
Look at that. Looks so cool. And let me see what this looks like inside. It looks the same.
Yeah, the eggs look like the same.
Oh, cool. So we have 2 eggs. They both look the same inside. Look at that. I really like this. That's so cool. Look at that.
There's one big small egg.
Ooh, and what are those? What is that over there? Are those like stickers? Let me see.
Yeah, you can actually put on this.
Whoa, look at we put them out. They're not stickers. They're like cards and they tell a story.
And we are trying to tell it with snakes.
All right, let's go with the next egg.
Yeah. And let's open it. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Go on the floor.
Let me help you out. Let's see. Let's show the people how you open it up. You have like that little button right there, and you push.
Push it hard?
Push the button over there. It's kind of hard, huh?
Yeah. Let me try one day.
There you go.
Wow! Wow! There's more flying blacks.
Let's see.
What's the beak? This is why it's so hard. Oh my god.
What happened?
We got
Oh, we got the same.
we got the non-flying.
Oh man.
We got another one. I didn't want to be combo. Yup. 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 Yup.
All right, look at that. Now we got twins. Those are twins. We got twin Ryan robots, and then we got this one over here. I really like this one.
Well, I really like this one too.
Yeah, we got twins over there, and we got this one over here, and we got 3 spaceships. And the last thing, what is this that we have right here? Let me see.
Ryan Squishy.
That's like a squishy.
Yeah, Ryan Squishy.
Ooh, let's see.
See what we can get.
Open it up. Ooh.
See who can get. We see who can get. Yep. See who can get. See who can get. See who can get. See who can get. Yep. We got Peck.
Let's see. Let me see.
Oh.
Let me see. Isn't it that one? This guy right here?
No.
Is it the same or no?
No, it's not in the same.
Let's see. Let me see. Well, what's the name of that one?
It's Peck Rat.
Peck who?
He has the little glasses and little one, and he has a little hat on top of it.
Let me see. Put him on the table. Ooh, he got little glasses and the hat. Nice. Pick it up, squeeze it. Let's see.
Squish it. Squish. Squish.
Let's see. Look at that. He squishes. Oh, that's so fun. Let's see.
That you try to squish it.
Let me see. Let me see. Good. Good. Let me see. Oh, look how it sounds. Sounds like.
Like it sounds like a pig. Big body.
Ooh, all right. Let's put them on the table. Let's see them all together. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at all the surprises that we have from the Robot Mini Eggs from Ryan's World. Are you happy?
Yeah. Now a squish pack. Squish.
Squish. Which one is your favorite?
Is this one and this one didn't the same.
And the squishy too?
Yeah. Now squish his body. Squish.
The head goes like so big.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.